What is brain drain? Actually, it is a movement of highly skilled and educated people from one country to another country in the search of better working conditions and attractive pay scale. It is a situation in which a country loses its best skilled workers. For example, the people working in the healthcare industry and the IT professionals are attracted to better pay scale and much better working conditions, better lifestyles in countries like US, UK or other developed countries. Hello everyone, I'm Vidhi and today I'm talking about brain drain versus brain gain, which is a very hot topic in developing countries like India. So in the next 5 minutes, I'll be covering topics like what are the reasons behind brain drain, what are the negative impacts on India because of brain drain, and how we can convert brain drain into brain gain. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. I am not against any of the students studying in the foreign countries, people going for job opportunities. I am not against any one of them. I am just putting up my perspective that just now we all celebrated Independence Day and many of the people bragged a lot about the patriotism. So if you really want to do something for your country, if you really want to show the patriotism, please try to convert this brain drain into brain gain, or it is also known as wisdom gain for India. Brain drain means that a developing country struggles to develop because its most skilled and educated labor leaves their economy. And the worst part is it is very hard to break this cycle, that every time the country tries to develop, its resources leave it and contribute to the economy of an already developed country. Every year, our country loses a large percentage of tax revenue which these immigrants could have paid if they stayed back in the country. No doubt, NRIs send a lot of money in the form of gift of remittance to their family members back in India. But this money or this contribution cannot make up for the revenue which is lost. Reason क्या है कि लोग चले जाते हैं अपना देश छोड़ के दूसरे देश में? Lack of opportunities, proper infrastructure, politics and a lot of caste based reservation. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा लगता है कि उनके टैलेंट की वैल्यू नहीं है इंडिया में बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रिजर्वेशन एंड पॉलिटिक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा पैसा भरकर दूसरे फॉरेन कंट्रीज में चले जाते हैं वहां की यूनिवर्सिटीज में पढ़ने के लिए, और इस तरह हमारे देश में टैलेंट कम हो जाता है. ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ईयर 7.5 लाख इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स जाते हैं फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज में पढ़ने के लिए, यहां से कई ज्यादा फीस भरकर. तो होता क्या है, इंडिया ने जिन लोगों के ग्रोथ, जिन लोगों के एजुकेशन के पीछे इतने रिसोर्सेज इन्वेस्ट किए, वो आखिर में कंट्री को छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. सो इट इज अ लॉस टू आवर कंट्री. तो शुरुआत कैसे हुई इंडिया में ब्रेन ड्रेन की? अराउंड 1960s में जब इंडियन एजुकेशनल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ग्रो हो रहा था, रैपिडली ग्रो हो रहा था, उस टाइम जो यंग साइंटिस्ट एंड इंजीनियर का ग्रुप जो पास आउट हो रहा था बिल्कुल ही इलाइट एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस में से, दे फाउंड आउट दैट दे डू नॉट हैव इनफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड अट्रैक्टिव पे स्केल अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर टैलेंट, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड मूविंग आउट ऑफ द कंट्री एट दैट टाइम. And that was a time when India required their expertise the most, because उसी टाइम पे न्यू इंडस्ट्रीज सेटअप हो रही थी इंडिया में, नए एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस बन रहे थे, रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशंस बन रहे थे, और उसी टाइम ब्रेन ड्रेन की शुरुआत हो गई. और तब से लेकर अब तक हर साल इसका नंबर जो है ब्रेन ड्रेन का वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है. Now let us talk about how to convert this brain drain into brain gain. Either the people want to stay in their own country, they want to come back wherever they want to stay, but how they can contribute to the economy of our country, to the development of our country, either by staying there in the other country, in the foreign country, or by coming back, or by investing in our country. How they want to do it, that is up to them, but just helping our country to develop is what is brain gain. Now every year our government is also coming up with new plans to collaborate with NRIs so that how they can help our country in some or the other way. One of those programs is called Vajra, VAJRA. In that, Government of India invites NRI scientists to come to India for 3 months and continue their research here and help Indian students and involve them in their research. Do you know, every year we celebrate January 9th as Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, because on that day in 1950 Mahatma Gandhi also came back to India to lead India's struggle against British people, to lead India to freedom. So this day every year our government organizes very big conferences or programs in which lots of lakhs of NRIs come to India and they discuss with the government the plans in which they can do something for India, contribute to our economy, collaborate, have their startups in India, or share new ideas with Indian people so that they can be helpful to the country. So friends, I hope today's video gave you an insight of what is brain drain and what is brain gain, and how we can all together convert brain drain into brain gain. So for more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.